And as y'all can see, you know, basically a brand new Air Force One, you ask me. You know, don't let me call it, but YouTube, what's up with y'all? It's your boy Guapo checking in here, and today it's time to get my Air Forces right. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it's time to clean them. So I'm gonna bring y'all a video of how to clean your Air Force Ones with household products. If y'all seen my previous videos in the past, I'm gonna have it somewhere up here, but y'all seem to like it. And it works, the method works. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it to keep my Air Force Ones clean, up to date. This product is very inexpensive. Well, not this product, but this solution is very inexpensive. It's one that I came up with. It ain't gonna run you no more than $10, I'd say. You can find it at any local grocery store, corner store, probably wherever you live at. You should be able to find the products pretty easy. So actually, let me show y'all my Air Force Ones first before we even get into the video, because I'm gonna be cleaning not only like the actual Air Force One, but I'm gonna be cleaning the bottoms as well. And this works for really any part of the Air Force One that you want to clean. So let me show you. So y'all see the scuff marks going on. And actually, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I feel like this angle isn't really doing any justice. So I'm gonna put an alternate angle up here for y'all. Just give me 1 second. I'm gonna show y'all. It'll be better lighting so y'all be able to see all the dirt and scuffs and everything. Cause I just feel like this lighting ain't doing it. You know what I mean? I want y'all to see what I'm seeing. I think this will do a little bit more justice when it comes to showing y'all all the dirt and just what's going on with the Air Force One. This is one of them. Like I said, the scuff on the checks in the front right here. You know, they're not in horrible condition, but they not the best. You can tell your boy been putting in some work. And like I said, the bottom's absolute trash. Let me grab the other one real quick and show y'all what's going on. Like I said, nothing too crazy, but it is time to clean these bad boys. So as y'all can see, all the damage that's been done. Hold on, let me flip it. You know, right there on the check, you got some scuffs, a little discoloration right there. Going on along the back, you just got a lot of like scuffed up nonsense, bottom, trash. So that's a better look for y'all. I just wanted to show y'all, because I don't know if the other angle was doing any justice. But now let me show y'all how to get all this dirt off. So now that we got that out the way, these are the products that you're gonna need right here to make the solution happen. So starting off, just get you a little bowl. It don't matter, you can get a big one or a small one depending on how much you need to clean. Get you a lemon. You only gonna need half of a lemon, but we're gonna be using pure lemon juice. You can, if you want to, get the lemon juice that comes in the store that's already squeezed and it comes in a little plastic bottle, but I suggest using the actual raw lemon and just squeezing half of it in the solution. Get you some baking soda. You never go wrong with the baking soda. Hydrogen peroxide. Don't matter the brand, just make sure it's hydrogen peroxide. And get you a magic eraser. This is the key to getting the dirt off. So make sure you have these products and a spoon too, because you're gonna need that to mix up the solution, because you wanna make it more so of a paste, not a liquid. But these are the products that you're gonna need. Like I said, it shouldn't be no more than $10, but let's get into the method and how to make everything work. So make sure you're paying attention, because if you're not, you're just gonna have to rewind the video. So this is how we do the solution. You wanna start out with the baking soda and put a good amount in there, because like I said, you want it to be a paste. And this tab kind of getting in the way. But put a decent amount of baking soda in there. I feel like that should be good right there. Take the lemon, already cut it in half, and squeeze it in there. You hear that sizzling? The lemon is the activator for the solution. It has acid in it and all that it activates. I said activate. I need to. Don't worry about that. But basically, it's gonna be activating everything. The acidity from the lemon, that's what it does to the solution. So you don't have to squeeze the whole lemon in there if you don't want to, because like I said, you want it to be a paste, so you don't want it to be too acidic. But take the hydrogen peroxide, pour a little bit of that in there. Not too much. That's probably good right there. Then take your spoon, stir it up. And y'all see how like it is kind of liquefied, but it's not too bad. If it is too liquidy, or too liquefied, you can just throw some more baking soda in there, which is what I'm gonna do, cause I need it to more so be a paste than a liquid. And also, you can tweak this formula to your liking, depending on how dirty your shoe is. But as y'all can see, it's thickening up. You want to get it to about this consistency right here. So y'all can tell, still kind of liquefied, but it's also kind of solid too. So now that you got it like this, you ready to start cleaning. So I'm gonna take this solution out to my balcony because I don't wanna mess up my counter and get my kitchen dirty or whatever. So we're gonna take it outside. I'm gonna show y'all what it does. All right, so now that we outside on the balcony, what you're gonna need for the actual cleaning process is just an old dirty rag. As you can see, I got one just to wipe the shoe off. You need your magic eraser. And you also need like a bowl or Tupperware or something to catch the solution, because your shoes are going to be dripping, so you want something to catch it. Or if you just don't care, just let it drip on the floor. Don't really matter to me. So as you can see my solution, you can see the lemon juice and the baking soda is separating. Don't mind that. That's how it's supposed to be, because you know it's baking soda and then it's acid basically, in a sense. So what you're gonna do, take your Air Force One solution. I'm gonna put the solution down actually for a second. Now, get your magic eraser, dip it in the water just to get it wet. Squeeze that out. Don't mind the background noise. Y'all may hear some cars passing by and stuff like that, but with your magic eraser, it should be damp right now. Squeeze all that water out. Dip it in that solution like I said. You know, get it up in there. As you can see, I got a good amount on there. And then grab your Air Force One and go to work. Start scrubbing that bad boy. So that's what we doing. As you can see, scrubbing. You just scrub all the parts that's dirty that you want to clean, to be honest. Simple and easy process. I try not to make videos too hard to follow along and stuff like that, because nobody likes them super complicated videos. You can't learn like that. Like, just simplify the process so people can follow along. You know? Now as y'all can see, I'm gonna wipe it down real quick. Now as y'all can see all that dirt that I was showing y'all earlier, just on the upper. I only did the upper. It's gone now. You know? Air Force is back looking brand new at the top. Now it's time to do the bottom. And don't be afraid to get dirty, because with this whole process, you may get a little dirty. So wear some clothes you may not care about, because you may get a little dirty. So keep that in mind. Now I'm about to do the bottoms. As y'all can see, this is what the bottoms look like before. I'm gonna scrub it real quick and show y'all the after. Hell of a lot of scrubbing. RIP to my magic eraser, because you know the bottom of the Air Force One, it has a lot of ridges and those stars in the front and the back. It ate it up, so you may need two. I'm able to do it with one for both, but you know, depending on how dirty it is, you may need two. But this is what my water solution looks like right now. As y'all can see, it's super dirty. It looks like mud, but this is the bottom of the Air Force One. And mind you, this is the bottom of the shoe, so it's not gonna be 100% white, because you literally walk on this and you know it's built up dirt. But just for reference, this is it compared to the other one that I didn't do yet. Side by side comparison. And as y'all can see, you know, basically a brand new Air Force One, you ask me. You know, don't let me call it, but hey, you know, I wouldn't lead y'all, steer y'all in the wrong direction. And also with this solution, it won't do any damage to your shoe. It won't cause any yellowing or anything like that. So you don't have to worry about messing up your shoe. Just scrub as much as you need to, and you'll be good. If y'all have any more questions or concerns, let me know down in the comments below. But this is basically the ending result. You know, shoes back all white, back brand new basically. I'm gonna do the other one off camera, but I just wanted to do this just to show y'all like a comparison of the before and the after. And yeah, if y'all have any questions or any concerns, just let me know down in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna show y'all side by side one more time. So try it out for yourself. Let me know how it works. And until next time, I'll catch y'all on the next video.